Hello, Bill. Good evening. Okay, it's about 8:30 at night on my end, and it has slowed down. It's getting better. And I know it's later than I wanted it to be in getting back to you, but we've got things moved along here, and I wanted to show you what I need from you to begin moving things to the next level. I've created an environment which you've received a link from me. It's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. I've got two folders, Knives for Sale and Artisan Images. That we didn't talk about, but I would like to have that. And to give you an idea of what that might be, it'd be pictures of you doing what you do. And I would be really pleased to get a video of you doing what you do. Somebody can take that with a phone and get that to me. I think it adds a lot to any website. Videos are particularly important, but at the very least, I'd love to see some images of you doing what you do. And the next one we have is Knives for Sale. And in there, I want you to add the pictures and the pricing and the description of those things that you sell. And here's how you're going to do that. You just click on the folder, and it says no files in here. On the top of the page, we have a plus sign. Now, let's say you have a knife, and I don't know what you call your knives, but we're just going to make one up. I'm going to call a knife, let's call this Hunter's Special, okay? And I'm just going to give that a title and hit enter. And now we've got a new folder. And let's say I have another knife, and we'll call that Kitchen Special. All right, and these are going to be model names that you'll assign to each one of these knives. Now, once you've got a folder for it, that's where the pictures and the description are going to live. So let's go back. Let's go inside this Hunter Special. There are no images in there right now. So the first thing we want to do is add a picture that you want displayed on your website for this particular knife. I'm going to hit the plus sign. And here I'm going to choose Browse or Upload a File. And then I'm going to find a place on my computer, you'll do the same on your computer, where that knife picture might exist. And I've got one planted here for this example. I'm going to browse for this Hunter Special knife. Okay, we see that picture right here. Now you can add more than one picture of a given knife, and I'll use the ones that you provide. The next thing we want to do is add the description and the price that are associated with this product. So the way you're going to do that is using that same plus sign, except you're going to choose New Text File. And we'll call that description. And that's going to open up a new page. Now, if you already have your information in another document, you can just paste it here using copy and paste. Otherwise, just go ahead and type in and then below that, sale price or just price. And so anything that you put here is going to appear next to the product description associated with that knife. And when you're done, just hit this X sign over here. You'll notice there's no save button required. Just hitting X will do it. We go back on description, you'll see that information has been saved. And now if we go to the top here where you see Hunter Special, you'll notice there's they call this a breadcrumb trail in the website world. I'm going to back up one to this Knives for Sale. And that gives us our different folders again. And then I can come down to Kitchen Special, do the same thing. Hit the plus sign, upload a picture file, or create a description for this particular knife, and then go back to Knives for Sale. And repeat this process for each of the products that you would like to display on the site. And that's it. That's going to give you a start, and if you're in the neighborhood today, I'll look forward to seeing you, but this will probably keep you busy for just a little while. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.